Water is precious. It is the source of life, and it is essential to life. Here in Nova Scotia, we are blessed with an abundance of fresh water, but our water is under threat. The discovery of low-grade gold deposits in Nova Scotia has sparked a modern-day gold rush. Unlike in the 1800s, when rich gold deposits were found in veins that could be chiseled from the rock in small-scale underground shaft mines, modern gold mines consist of immense open pits, more than 100 meters deep and extending over many square kilometers. Nova Scotia's first open-pit gold mine opened in October 2017. Located at Moose River, about 60 kilometers northeast of Halifax, the mine covers 18 square kilometers, roughly half the size of the town of Truro. The same company proposes to open 3 additional mines along the eastern shore, while numerous other gold mining companies are currently exploring for gold throughout the province. Open-pit gold mining is one of the most destructive industries there is. After clearing the land, the gold-containing ore is blasted from the earth using explosives. Over a ton of ore must be removed for every gram of gold extracted. The ore is then crushed into a powder. Tiny flecks of gold are separated out using sodium cyanide. Sodium cyanide is a deadly chemical. Less than a quarter of a gram, comparable to a pinch of salt, is fatal. Even trace amounts can be harmful. Well over 1 million pounds of sodium cyanide will be used at the processing plant at Moose River. In addition to the threat of such chemicals seeping into our water, open-pit gold mines also unearth toxic heavy metals such as arsenic, mercury, antimony, and lead. Under the ground, locked in their ores, these heavy metals pose little risk. Once unearthed, however, they can leach into lakes and rivers. Nova Scotia also has a high concentration of pyrite and arsenopyrite. When these sulfur-containing compounds are broken down and exposed to the air, they react with oxygen and water to produce sulfuric acid. This process, known as acid rock drainage, lowers the pH of surrounding waterways, killing fish and other aquatic life. Another risk is the potential for untreated mining effluent to be discharged into salmon-bearing rivers along the eastern shore, threatening this fragile network of lakes, rivers, and wetlands. But this is just the start. Beyond releasing harmful substances into the environment, gold mines also generate vast amounts of waste. It is estimated that a simple gold ring, weighing a mere third of an ounce, produces over 20 tons of toxic waste. Open-pit gold mines also consume enormous quantities of water, usually drained from surrounding lakes and rivers. It is reported that Tokoi Gold Mine used 8.3 million liters of water per day during its startup. Over its lifetime, the mine is expected to drain another 720,000 liters per day, or over 260 million liters a year, from a nearby lake. Apart from the impact this has on aquatic ecosystems, eventually this can draw down the water table, potentially depleting water supplies at a surprising distance. The deforestation of huge tracts of land can also cause erosion, flooding, and the buildup of metal-laden sediment in nearby waterways. The mine dust produced coats the surrounding countryside, contaminating the soil and vegetation. And, by destroying habitat, open-pit gold mines threaten the survival of numerous fish and wildlife species, including the already endangered mainland moose and wild Atlantic salmon. Finally, in an age where every country must commit to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, open-pit gold mines have a massive carbon footprint. By disrupting landscapes, polluting both surface and underground water, and threatening critical ecosystems, open-pit gold mines cause irreparable harm to the environment as well as posing a serious human health risk. Our water is precious. It is also irreplaceable. Here, at the Council of Canadians, we believe our water is worth protecting, now and for the future. Please, join us in our fight to protect Nova Scotia's lakes and rivers.